Standard 8th, Unit number 4, 4.4, The Unsinkable Ship. Introduction. In this chapter, we will learn how the largest luxury ship in the world, the famous Titanic, was hit by iceberg and sank down in the ocean, taking lives of many. How the largest luxury ship in the world, the famous Titanic, the unsinkable ship. Explanation. On 10th April 1912, the largest luxury ship in the world set sail from Southampton in England to New York. Where? To New York. She was called the Titanic. The word Titanic means huge. Titanic means huge, big. What is her name? Titanic. She set out to cross the Atlantic Ocean and she carried more than 2,000 passengers. How many passengers? 2,000 passengers, and to cross the Atlantic Ocean. Everyone called the Titanic the finest ship in the world. She was as tall as building with 15 stories. As tall as building. And inside she was like a large hotel with grand staircases, dining rooms, shops and swimming pools. It's very big. They called her the unsinkable ship. Yeah, unsinkable ship. Then came the night of 14th April. The sky was clear and the sea was calm. Many of the passengers were asleep. Many of the passengers were asleep. The sky was clear and calm. Captain Smith knew that there were icebergs nearby, so he told a man to keep a watch from the top of the ship. What was the name of that captain? Smith. And he instructed. Suddenly at 11:40 p.m., the man saw something. He grew cold with fear. At that time, that man saw something. A huge iceberg stood right in the path of the Titanic. Iceberg, he yelled. Who yelled? That man. Icebergs. Captain Smith fought hard to steer the Titanic away from the iceberg. And that time, Smith fought hard to steer the Titanic away from the iceberg, but the ship changed direction slowly and her side scraped the mountain of ice. Her side scraped the mountain of ice. A shower of ice fell onto the decks, and the iceberg cut holes along the ship's side. At that time, the shower of ice fell on the decks, and the iceberg cut holes. Water began to pour into the lower decks. Most passengers heard nothing and slept on. Most passengers heard nothing and slept on. Captain Smith and his crew could not stop the water flooding through the ship. Captain Smith and his crew, they knew the Titanic was in great danger. The unsinkable ship was sinking. That unsinkable ship was that time sinking. At 12:15 a.m., Captain Smith sent urgent messages on the ship's radio asking for help. That time, Captain Smith sent urgent messages on the ship's radio asking for help. Help, Titanic sinking, come quickly. Then he ordered the crew to wake all the passengers up. He ordered the crew to wake all the passengers up. A ship called the California was only 20 miles away, but she did not receive Titanic messages. The another ship called the California, it was only 20 miles away. Her radio was tuned off, and the radio operator was asleep. Very bad luck. Her radio was tuned off, and the radio operator was asleep. Another ship called the Carpathia heard the Titanic's call and sailed at full speed towards her. Another ship was Carpathia. She heard the Titanic's call and ran towards the Titanic. Unfortunately, the Carpathia was far away and she took over 3 hours to reach the Titanic. Unfortunately, meanwhile, the Titanic was sinking rapidly. The crew lowered the lifeboats into the sea, but there was only enough space in the boat for a few hundred passengers. Means lifeboats into the sea, but there was only enough space in the boat for a few hundred passengers. The crew lowered the lifeboats. The Titanic had more than 2,000 people on board. The ship began to tilt into the sea. How many passengers? 2,000 passengers on board. People began to jump from the decks into the ice cold water. People began to jump from the decks into the ice cold water, which its lights still shining. The Titanic stood upright for a few minutes. Titanic stood upright for a few minutes. It's very a dangerous scene. Upright for a few minutes. Then at 2:20 a.m. on 15th April, she vanished into the sea. About 1500 people drowned. How many people? 1500 people were drowned. Captain Smith and most of his crew went down with the ship. Captain Smith and most of his crew went down with the ship. The Carpathia arrived at 3:40 a.m. The ship crew found the lifeboats and saved 700 people in them. How many people? 700 people saved. The another ship was Carpathia arrived at 3:40 a.m. They also found chairs and pieces of wood floating on the water. But almost all of the people in the water had drowned or died of cold. The Carpathia was too late to save them. Almost all of the people in the water had drowned and died of cold. The sinking of the Titanic made people think harder about the safety of passengers on ships. The sinking of the Titanic made people think harder about the safety of passengers on ships. They asked why ships carry such few lifeboats and why they turn off their radios. In that case, ships carry few lifeboats and they turn off their radio. In 1913, it was decided that all ships must have enough room in their lifeboats to carry everyone on board. Since 1930, it was decided. It was also decided that ships must keep their radios working every hour of the day and night. Keep their radios working every hour. In 1985, scientists sent a submarine to look for the wreck of the Titanic. Scientists sent a submarine to look for the wreck of Titanic. And they found the ship laying in two pieces on the ocean floor at a depth of around 4,000 meters, means 13,000 feet. They found. Who found? The scientist found ship laying in two pieces on the ocean floor. Later, they took photographs of the wreck and brought small parts of it to the surface of the water. They took some photographs of the wreck and brought small parts out of the surface of the water. There are many stories of bravery on that terrible night in April 1912. There are many stories of bravery on that terrible night in April 1912. In 1998, the director James Cameron made a famous film of the Titanic maiden voyage. Famous director James Cameron made a famous film, The Titanic's maiden voyage, in 1998. It is a very sad film. Almost everyone who sees the film leaves the cinema in tears because it's very dangerous scene, tragedy, very sad film. So everyone leaves with tears. Let's take down word meanings. Iceberg, a very large mass of ice floating in the sea. To steer means to turn. Scraped means scratch deep against a rough surface. Tilt means move in a sloping bent position. Take down that words in your notebook.